At Mark Properties, we just don't construct, we just don't build buildings, but we build proper ties with our customers, with all our partners, associates. That's our key strength. That's how the word Mark Properties was born. We forayed into realty. Mark Properties is the 100% subsidiary of Mark. We have sold close to 3,000 homes, totaling up to 2.5 million square feet of space. We have got huge plans to develop another 7,000 homes, totaling up to 8 million square feet in the next 3 years. So that's the large plan and expansion drive what we have at the back of our mind. What is the journey so far? We started off launching the brand in the year 2009 on October 11th. The show witnessed with a huge launch with A.R. Rahman doing a very big music concert at Mark Swarnabhumi. Thanks to all of you who have, customers like you who have reposed tremendous faith with our brand Mark Properties. As a business strategy from Mark Properties, we focus on all these points. At present, we are more of a Chennai focused company. We leverage large presence in suburban micro markets with a strong economic growth drivers. We have a range of products which is market driven portfolio ranging from affordable homes to ultra luxury homes, and our project is good towards mid and low segments in tune with the market demand. We also focus on quality execution and timely delivery. We have a very aggressive and a competitive pricing, which is a market oriented pricing strategy across all our offerings. We have a lot of synergy with our group business. Marg is into Karaikal Port, and Marg Swarnabhumi, which is a 1,000-acre master plan, provides the requisite economic demand that spurs the demand for the residential development. We also have our in-house companies like Studio 7, and we also have a facility management called Heligen. So joy of choice, when we talk about joy of choice, as explained in the earlier slide, we have a range of homes ranging from affordable homes to ultra luxury homes. That is a value offerings catering to multiple segments to suit, we have a home to suit everybody's budget and wallet. So that's the mantra at Mark Properties. So when we talk about what is the joy of a safe investment with Mark Properties, anybody today who is looking into buying a property look at three things. They look for capital appreciation, they look for pricing, best pricing, and they look for the best amenities. So where is the growth corridor today in Chennai? If you look at Chennai, there are three significant growth corridors. One is the Bangalore Highway, the second comes the GST. All these three are parallelly the growing corridors in Chennai. OMR is of course the declared IT corridor, and massive investments are being pouring in on OMR, which is the road, the next road to prosperity, which my colleague Vinay in detail will cover what OMR is all about. So these are the growing corridors in Chennai, and our projects are strategically located at all these growth corridors. That's a very significant strategic move, whereby the land bank cost is very low at these growth corridors. So today as a customer, when you're picking up the price, you're picking up at a very low cost. Strategically, the land bank is very low, where the percentage of land cost on the overall cost is about 15%. So the potential for appreciation is very high. So that's what we are trying to drive through this particular slide. Customers purchasing our homes can largely benefit due to potential capital appreciation.